Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into HafenCity University Hamburg HCU as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in HCU Ahoy login. That is HCU AHOI login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link. If you're in a mobile browser, you may have to zoom in and then tap on the link given and then tap on login at the top right of your screen. Here you'll have to enter your username and your password, which should be sent to you by your college or university during the time of admission. Also, you may have to enable multi-factor authentication for your account, and you'll also be able to access your HCU email and library access. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.